Hello friend, welcome back all of you in Uppal Solutions back. In this video we are going to learn how we can create Gmail account. If you know nothing about Gmail and basic computing and basics mobile, then this video is basically for you. You just have to locate where Gmail is in your mobile. Mostly it locate along the Google one, but in my case I have in this folder. I have to click it and open it. You will see all of the emails are here, but if you have bought a new mobile, then this will be different in your case. You just have to click on the top corner icon here, and after clicking it you will see all of the long list of accounts which is already logged into your device, but none of them. You just click on the bottom of the icon here, create new one. Okay, after clicking on this window you will be landed on new screen, which is actually basic interface for create new account. Here it is asking for setup email account. You just have to click on the Google icon because we are going to create Google account. Okay, on this screen it is again asking you for if you have an account you can log in it, but we are creating a new one, so we will click on the bottom option for create new account, which is create new. Okay, on this after clicking on this it will show you two options, for personal one and for business, but we are creating personal account because the business account is paid one. So we will click on this option and it will land us on the new window, which is asking us for enter our name. We will write here our name. Actually this is not our email, but this name will be associated with our Gmail account. Okay, in my case I'm writing my channel name, and in next window it is asking for get us our information about our date of birth. We will write here our date of birth, and in the below we will select our gender. In my case I'm selecting male, and if you are female then you can select female here. Okay, in next window it is giving us some suggestions that your new email account name could be this one. You can select from here, which is giving you the suggestions, and if you don't like these emails then you can create by writing your own email. Okay, in my case I'm writing here my own email, but make sure this email should be unique one, and if this email which is writing now will be not unique, it will not allow us to get this email. Okay, after creating a email, in next window he is asking you to enter the password. Make sure your password will be must include some special characters like @ or $sign, because Gmail demand you to write a complex password, otherwise your account will not be verified and you cannot create account. Okay, so after creating email password, I always suggest to copy this password so you will use it for further. Okay, after clicking the next window, he is asking you to read its agreement form. You will click on next window and you have to create. On this screen you have to again click on next button, and this is the privacy and terms. You can read these privacy and terms, and after reading I will click on agree button. After clicking on the agree button, my account is almost completed, and now it will land us in our new Gmail account. You can see here our Gmail account is here. If you want to log in to this account, we will click on new created Gmail account and we will be landed in our inbox. Okay, I am clicking here and new Gmail account now is open. There will be a email which is from Google. Okay, this was the process. Hope you understand that it was very simple to create email, and if you have any query about this video, be comment in the comment box and I will be there for answer your queries. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel so you will get more videos like this. But for now, bye bye and take care.